The old man was a little elf. He got home after a day's work. He saw a caterpillar at this time. The old man didn't drive it away. After observing, he found that the caterpillar wanted to eat leaves but failed. So the old man took out scissors. He gave the caterpillar a large number of leaves. He gently stroked the caterpillar and then went home. The old man put on his pajamas and got ready to sleep. He heard the sound of the caterpillar smacking its lips at this time. So the old man came to the side of the caterpillar, asked it to be quiet. Then the old man touched its head and went home again. The old man could finally have a rest. The caterpillar started smacking its lips again at this time. So the old man came to the storage box, put on headphones, picked up the backpack beside it, then looked for something in the box, finally put on the backpack and went out. The old man came to the side of the caterpillar, but soon he backed into the room. He put down a box. 3 seconds later he pressed the switch. Then he took off the headphones, closed the door. He could finally have a good sleep.